Finding one of the best 3D printers depends heavily on what you're looking for and how experienced you are with 3D printing. These machines come in all shapes and sizes, and they're designed for specific settings, whether it's in a hobbyist's home, a classroom filled with STEM students, or a workshop that regularly needs to crank out models and prototypes. In this video, we will look at the top 5 best 3D printers that are available on the market today. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Monoprice Voxel 3D Printer. The Voxel is a unique, easy-to-use, beginner-friendly 3D printer that brings 3D printing to the masses with its simple menu system displayed on a 2.8 color IPS touchscreen. The assisted leveling system reduces calibration to a single tap on the touchscreen, and the print nozzle can be swapped out in seconds without the need for tools of any kind. It features 8 GB of internal memory, a USB port, a Wi-Fi radio with a hotspot, and a built-in camera for monitoring print operations. The removable, flexible build plate makes removing a model a breeze. Simply remove and flex it to dislodge the model. You can easily replace it if it becomes damaged, or can swap in a second build plate to start a new print immediately after completion of a project. Additionally, it can be heated to temperatures up to 60 degrees Celsius. Auto leveling. The printer ships fully calibrated and ready to print out of the box. If necessary, you can easily adjust the distance between the nozzle and the bed via the touchscreen interface. At number 4. Original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus 3D Printer. The original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus is the latest version of our award-winning 3D printers. We have upgraded the MK3S with a brand new Super Pinda probe for improved first-layer calibration, added high-quality Masumi bearings, and various useful design tweaks to make the printer easier to assemble and maintain. The MK3S Plus includes all the proven features of the previous models, including the heat bed with removable pay spring steel print sheets, automatic mesh bed leveling, filament sensor, power loss recovery, and safety features. And it is still as silent as ever. Fully automatic mesh bed leveling process, IR filament sensor built in, supports filament auto loading, print pauses when filament runs out, genuine gates belts, Bondtech drive gears, EINSY Rambo motherboard, and many other features are the reason why the MK3S Plus is the perfect 3D printing workhorse. At number 3. Monoprice 134,438 MP10 Mini 3D Printer. The MP10 Mini is a feature-rich 3D printer with a 200x200 heated, flexible, and removable steel spring build plate and an all-metal extruder. It has an assisted level sensor on its magnetic extruder assembly, allowing easy changes to the Z offset in the menu for easy and perfect first layers. Wiring is no issue, as all of the components are already pre-wired and ready to go, with the connections hidden in the cable management sleeve. Most importantly, prints are crisp and clean. The MP10 Mini is a feature-rich 3D printer with a 200x200 heated, flexible, and removable steel spring build plate and an all-metal extruder. It has an assisted level sensor on its magnetic extruder assembly, allowing easy changes to the Z offset in the menu for easy and perfect first layers. Wiring is no issue, as all of the components are already pre-wired and ready to go, with the connections hidden in the cable management sleeve. Most importantly, prints are crisp and clean. At number 2. Monoprice Mini Delta V2 3D Printer. The Mini Delta V2 is an update of the best-selling Mini Delta 3D printer from Monoprice, the world's best-selling brand in 3D printing. We've gathered customer suggestions and feedback since the original Mini Delta's release and are proud to offer a printer design with those customers in mind. The adaptive touchscreen makes it easier to navigate through the updated and simplified user interface. The updated auto-leveling system makes starting a print much faster and simpler. The Wi-Fi setup is now just as simple as the rest of the printer, thanks to quieter driver motors. The Mini Delta V2 operates at a whisper quiet 30 dBA. Use the on-screen prompts and the Polo Print Pro Wi-Fi app to get started printing over Wi-Fi in no time. The Mini Delta V2 still boasts the features that experienced users are comfortable with, while making them accessible to new users. USB connections make for stable and fast prints, while slicing can be done using Cura or many other open-source slicing software packages. The small and compact size of the Mini Delta V2, along with its high-level functionality and solid build quality, make it the perfect companion printer to larger and bulkier 3D printers. Finally, at number 1. MakerBot Replicator Plus 3D Printer. The MakerBot Replicator Plus 3D printer is our most popular 3D printer for professionals, educators, and hobbyists with a fast and reliable 3D printing experience right out of the box. Enhanced 3D printing workflow features including the Smart Extruder Plus, a full-color LCD display, Wi-Fi connectivity, and MakerBot Print 3D printing software are just a part of what makes the MakerBot Replicator Plus 3D printer the preferred 3D printer for both beginners and advanced users alike. The MakerBot Replicator Plus 3D printer produces high-quality prints 30% faster than its predecessor and offers a 25% larger build volume. Improved hardware, like a redesigned gantry and Z-Stage, offer greater reliability and precision every time. The included Smart Extruder Plus has double the warranty of its predecessor and delivers a dependable, consistent 3D printing performance with superior results using MakerBot PLA filament, no matter the project at hand. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.